Hey guys, today let's try to delete all of the photos from Google Photos all at once. So if you guys are wondering how to delete all of the photos on Google Photos all at once, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to delete that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and proceed with launching the Google Photos application on your device. Now once we're already there, of course, you would like to also log on to your preferred accounts and also make sure that you're using your preferred Google account for this tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. And what you guys should see is this option right here. So I guess I'm having some bugs with my device, which is why it's changing the orientation as I am recording this video. But essentially what we need to go ahead and do is to tap on the menu icon of our Google Photos. So that is also going to be located on the topmost menu right here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that real quick as I am actually doing this. Alright, so once we're already here, we can now go ahead and proceed with tapping on the menus, or rather, we could also go ahead and tap on this checkbox right here over on the photos that were taken today. And from there, I'm going to go ahead and select all of that, and what you guys should see is something like this, and there is the option right here to delete the photos, and that is going to basically delete them all at once with just that simple click. It's that easy, guys, to delete all of the photos on your Google Photos at once. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe, and take care.